Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to predict price moves on Kraken. Predicting price movement on the Kraken app is about understanding charts, using indicators and reading market behavior directly from your phone. And while the mobile app is more compact than the PC version, it will still provide tools to analyze the market and make it informed trading decision, and this guide will walk you step by step through how to analyze and predict the price movement. First, open your Kraken app on your device, and once you get into this interface of your Kraken app, what you can do is you need to simply tap on the more icon in the bottom right, and over here under this discover more we can find there's an option where they predict price moves. Select there, and in order to predict the price move you need to verify to your KYC as well, and you need to simply continue and proceed on the bottom as well. And over here you will access the charts and the price chart as well, and you can also find the change time frames on the app. You can switch between the time frames and you can use the indicator as well. And that is it. Predicting price move on the Kraken app becomes easier once you understand how to use chart indicators and the market structure directly from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.